Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can remove or delete diagrams from your library on Google Drawings. So let us get started, guys. So if you would, for instance, like to delete your entire diagram, not the elements here inside your canvas, but I mean the entire document, you will need to do the following, guys, because if I left click, for example, in the top left corner here on Google Drawings, Google Drawings is not going to redirect me to, for example, a main page here with all your saved diagrams. Instead, you will be redirected to Google Drive because your drawings get saved on Google Drive. So if I click into it, I will be redirected to Google Drive. So you will need to navigate to the given folder where you have stored the given diagram, like here, for instance, and you'll need to remove it from Google Drive. To do that, click into these three dots here and choose Move to Trash. Then you'll need to navigate to the trash folder as well and remove it from there permanently, or you wait for 30 days so that Google Drive removes the given document or diagram automatically after these 30 days. So that's the two options, guys, you have here on Google Drawings. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.